Hey guys, and welcome back. Remember, I told you these are only 10-minute segments, okay? So the last one we did was trade number 8, okay? So we move forward, went down, went up, this line here. See this line here? You look up, there's a green candle. Let's move the line there. Look right. Let's move that away. Look right. 28716. 28716. Okay. So what we got in here, we entered here. In 2 days, it went 1, 2 up to there. Let's bring that down. Oops. Bring that down to there. There. So let's measure that. See how much that trade made. Entry points, exit points, 800 points. Let's go to Excel sheet and let's type in 800 into the box. £16.62, 1,209 new balance. 1,209. Change that to 0. Change that to 0. And then let's mark this as number 9. 9. This is probably going to be the last video I'm going to make on this S&P pair. If there's any pair you want me to do a video on, write it in the comments, okay? But basically, you guys get the point. So here we go. This is another entry point. Came down here, went up here. There's a green candle. This one over here. Let's move that out of the way. Came, touch this point. You're looking up. There's your green candle. This is the price you entered. There. 29,168. 29,168. Okay. Now, what was the distance? So here we entered. There's a good candle, and it only went from here to about there. So let's get the ruler, put it there. Okay. Let's measure the distance from entry point to highest point, 450. Let's go in here. Type in 450, 1218. 1218. So there you go. So when I was telling you earlier about the indexes, you see how they move. If you're trading any of those Forex, USD, JPYs, and all those things there, you're not making that kind of, you don't get those type of movements. Yeah. And that's very important in trading. Yeah. They narrow I mean, so this one, I will skip that one. So this is the one, look at that today. I took that trade today. See that, guys? This was the trade I took yesterday. So let's do the day for the last month now. So because this is the last one. So let's day for the last month. So you can zoom in on what happened. So actually it doesn't show it like that. That's why the day for the last. Yeah. Okay, this was it here. Right. You look up. That was an entry candle. That was a few days ago. This is today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days ago. There was a signal there. You look up. There's your candle. Look right. 32,378. 32,378. And what's the highest point it's gone to so far? before it started coming down, it's there. So this is today, the last trade we did. So a year later from now, I'm going to be back testing this up to this point. So this is today, and this will be a year from now on, as it was in the beginning. I'm just going to keep making these trades, waiting for my indicators. Let's see how many points. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. That's 1,200 points, guys. 1,200 points. 1,200. 45.22. 1,240 pounds. 1,240 pounds, guys. From a £1,000 account, I've just proven to you how with only one forex pair. Don't forget, yeah, guys, all in between all these places where you're not getting signals on this pair S&P 500, you'll be looking at other pairs looking for signals. So this is just one pair. You're going to be trading. When I said you trade one pair with a £1,000 account, I meant one pair at any given time. But I don't mean you can only trade one pair. When there's no signals here, you look for signals in other trades. Look there for the last year. Let's start from the top. Went down, went up, candle, you make money. Down, up, candle, you make money. That's it. All pairs, UK 100. Down, up, see down? When it looks up here, there's a candle, you made money. Down, up, next ring candle was that one. Yeah? See that there? You made money because this hits your stop loss. So you didn't make money there. But there, see? You made money. When you talk about percentage of win versus losses, man, guys, this is over like 95%. Look, win there. Look, green candle, win there. Look, green candle, win there. Anything, USD CAD. Down here, green candle, look at all that profit. Down here, look up there, green candle, profit. Down here, green candle, profit. Look at the last one here. The last one is given profits. I'm just going to be doing the last ones now because this video is going to run out soon. Thanks for watching. As soon as it cuts out, that'll be the end. AUD, NZD, last signal it gave us was on that one. See? Profit. US 2000. Last signal it gave us was there. Look up green candle, profit. UK oil. Last signal was here. Look up green candle, profit. See? Profit. Anything you want. USD JPY. Down here, hit there, look up green candle you bought, profit. Gold. Down here, look up green candle there, profit. Euro versus GDP. Last time I gave a green candle was there. Green candle, no, that's not profit. But the one before, see, profit, see, profit. So you might lose about 1 in every 10 profit. But because you have your risk manager and soft stop losses, see, profit everywhere, Euro GDP. You will never see any signal that is this accurate, guys. Go on YouTube. I challenge anyone to come and give me any comments on this video I've just made, man. Look, up there, profit. There's nowhere on the internet, YouTube, anywhere you see the success rate. Look at that. Up here, it's there. All those people trying to sell people fake signals and all that. You don't need signals. You need this indicator, guys. Look at that. Up here, green candle, profit. It's just crazy. So Bitcoins. Look at it.